Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the talking AI influencer model with Google Veo 3. So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do, you can find out this Google Veo 3 and you can also access it via Google AI Studio or even the Google Gemini here. And this time I would like to create it from the Gemini AI. But if you would like to access this Veo 3 via Gemini AI, then you need to upgrade this Gemini AI to become the Pro version like this. And if you would like to try it for free, don't worry because you will have 1 month free trial to use this the pro version of this Gemini AI. And also, of course, you can try to create and generate the video. And for example, this is the Gemini AI account that has not been upgraded into the pro version. On the tool section, there will not the option to create the video with the Veo style. But if you up, have just upgraded into the Pro version like this, so there will be the tool to create the video with Veo like this guys. And after that you can click this create video with Veo here and you can put the picture. And if you have not prepared it, don't worry because you can find it out here from the Grok for example, or you can also put your favorite platform. And since I usually use this Grok because it is very easy and give you a lot of picture like this. And why I show the Mongolian man, because I have just watched the Mongolian rock band, so it it will be the inspiration for me to create the AI talking influencer. And you can simply click the your favorite picture, for example, and click download here. And if you would like to create another picture, that you can simply put your prompt into this section. Type to imagine. And after the picture has been saved, then you can go to the Google Gemini here and put your picture and also describe your video and or what the video that you would like to produce. For example, I will show you the some video that I have made before. Here for example, I have attached the picture here and also the prompt like this. Create a talking video of this picture of this man, and in this video I want that this man saying something, and it is also depend on the topic that you would like to present to your audience in the video itself. And for example, I want this man to say, in this video I will show you how to make money from Gemini AI. Let's go. And also you can put the additional thing to make it more lively, like the gesture. The man also shows the lively hand gesture. And after that you can click the generate or click to submit it and let this Gemini AI to generate this picture and also this prompt into the video like this guys. For example, I will show you.
Gem In this video, I will show you how to make money from Gemini AI. Let's go.
As you can see that how this man saying the script and also the hand gesture is very natural and very beautiful. And you can also download this video, click this, and it will be automatically saved into your device. And disclaimer, if you would like to create the video from this Gemini AI, you will have 3 chances to create the video, and also each video has the length 8 seconds for each video guys. So it will be enough to create a short video, and you can continue to create the next video. For example, the step or the thing that you would like to present to the video. Since I was talking about the making money from the Gemini AI, so in the next video I made the next or the other script, like one related to social media. You can do content creation, SEO and digital marketing, and also copywriting. And again, that the man also show the lively hand gesture, and you can simply generate it, and voila, the video will be ready into this section. And you can continue to download it here, and after that you can combine it this video into one video by using the CapCut like this, and you can simply export it. And
In
finally
this
the
video, I will show you.
and finally the
In
video
this
will
video,
be
I will show
I'm
you
sorry
how to make.
and finally the video will be ready to be shared into your social media. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.